In this segment, we're going to talk about email messages, both inbound and outbound messages in Salesforce. Email messages in Salesforce are powerful, robust, and provide secure functionality to send an email from Salesforce. We will learn about email programming, different types of email, what is single email messaging in Salesforce and methods, what is mass email message in Salesforce, attaching files to outbound emails, and attaching documents to outbound email messages in Salesforce. Now let's look at the outbound email messaging. Outbound email messaging is used to send an email to external systems using Epic's code. There are two types of outbound emails. Number one, single email message. Number two, mass email message. Single email message instantiates an email object used for sending a single email message. And as we can see, the syntax for that. Also as shown in the class, messaging namespace provides classes and methods for Salesforce outbound and inbound email services. The methods in the class that we have in this example sends single email messages to external system. To send single email message, first we have to create an object for single email message. So at this point, let's explore the single email message methods a little bit more. The single email message consists of nearly 19 methods that can be used in email messages in Salesforce. For example, set BCC address. This method will set the BCC address to whom the email should be sent, and we could set up to 25 email addresses, and the syntax is shown. Next, there's a set CC address, and this method will set the CC address to whom the email should be sent, and we can set up to 25 email addresses, and you can see the syntax as well. Then we have set to address, and this method will set the address, and we can set up to 100 addresses, and you can see the syntax. Next is set subject, and set subject method will set the subject of our mail, and we can see the syntax of that. And then there is a set plain text body, which will set the main body of the mail, and we can see an example to that. And the last example we have is for the set HTML body, which will set the main body of the mail, and we can see the syntax of that as well. Next, we have the mass email message. Through mass email message, we can send a mass email message to a recipient list that consists of contacts, leads, person, accounts, or users that we can view in Salesforce. And we can see the syntax below. We also have the set description, and this will give the description about the mail. We have the set target object, and we can add up to 250 IDs per email. If we specify a value for that target object IDs field optionally, specify a what ID as well. And then we have the set what IDs, and this value can be any one of the following: contact, case, opportunity, and product. And we have the syntax for that as well.